Thursday, I have no idea, March 25. If you're an OG subscriber and you'd watch my vlogs, you know that I never know what day. Actually, I know what day, but I never know what date it is. So we're back to that. Don't know the date, but I know it's Thursday. I am just wearing some shorts. This is like a Victoria's Secret pink short set, and I love it so much. Whenever I wear loungewear, working from home, I really like matching sets because it makes me feel more put together. It makes me feel like just coordinated. I feel like if I look at least decent, even with my loungewear, then I feel more productive or I feel more motivated. Most days, or especially nowadays with the whole quarantine, knowing in the back of my mind that, you know, everyone else is in quarantine and basically working from home, I am more inclined to wear loungewear. But when other people were, you know, before this whole thing happened, I would wear regular clothes. Like occasionally I'd wear loungewear, but I would dress up as if I'm actually going to work because in the back of my mind, I knew that was what everyone else was doing. So I'm actually really making use of my loungewear this time around because I feel like that's what everyone else is wearing. But I'm still trying to stay motivated. Like I still put on makeup, whether it's a light application or not, I still try to put it on. That way when I look at myself in the mirror, I'm not like disgusted with myself. That way I just feel human and again, motivated. And then I put on some jewelry. I just feel like it motivates me. Just dressing up a little bit, even if it's with loungewear. So we're just editing some videos today. There's my little desk over there. And I will take you along. I don't know how exciting these vlogs are gonna be, but hopefully, you know, it's something that you guys are interested in and wanna see regardless. So we're gonna vlog. So right now we are just editing a video, like casual spring outfits video. So that will probably be up before this vlog goes up. So we're just gonna work on that right now. So we are on our way. I need to drop something off to the post office and I think I'm gonna send you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the dirty work. I'm doing the dirty work.
I'm too scared to go anywhere except for stay in the car.
I have a mask and I have gloves.
Yeah, he like has been doing the runs, like whether if like we need groceries and he'll go and do them, and he has all the supplies.
And everything that I'm wearing goes right in the washer and dryer after I get done. As soon as I get home, I take everything off.
Yeah, and I am too much of a germaphobe to be the one, so I send him, because if I go to the grocery store, it'll take me too long to like, I just wouldn't want to touch anything. People are not caring about social distancing, so that would probably make me really mad. I'd just rather not, so.
I will say the one thing that I've noticed when I've been out is that I am seeing a lot more people respect the social distancing.
Good,
especially with the grocery stores.
It wasn't like that.
It wasn't like that in the beginning, but now I feel like people really are starting to respect it a lot more.
Yeah. There he goes. Don't you wish we could buy a space suit? I feel like if I had a space suit, then I'd be good.
Yeah. I sanitize these gloves too, so every time. Okay.
Okay, we're back home now, and I completely changed. We both changed. Got out of our outside clothes and threw it all in the wash. Can you hear that? It's being washed right now. So I am still wearing all black, wearing these sweatpants. Oops, pocket out, from Victoria's Secret, and then this bodysuit from Aritzia. Still feel nice, you know, the little bodysuit. Oops. And I'm starving, so I'm gonna make some lunch. All right, I just had an avocado toast that I didn't show because my camera was sliding all over the place. Scarfed that down. Didn't love it this time around. Don't know why, but I still ate it. And then I'm gonna also have a green juice right here. I'm gonna go upstairs, continue editing. I had to stop editing because my battery on my mouse died. Did I tell you that already? Well, anyway, it's been charging this whole time, so hopefully it's fully charged, so now I can go and edit my video. And in about an hour or so, in about 2 hours, Jamie and I are gonna try to go take a walk outside just to get some fresh air. We still don't have outdoor furniture, and I'm thinking that maybe this weekend we could have a picnic outside, you know, like on the grass in our backyard. We've never done that before, but we'll probably lay down a blanket or something. I don't know, that's just a thought. All right, I'm done editing. Currently listening to D Nice on Instagram Live, little virtual house party. My friend Liz and I, Liz Kennedy, she's at Liz Kennedy on Instagram. If you don't already follow her, she's my good friend, and we are both gonna be doing a giveaway. So I'm gonna go into the other room and prepare some products. Alright, just got out of the shower. What I didn't show you guys was we went on a walk and I forgot my camera. But I went downstairs, realized I didn't have my camera, so I went back upstairs to go grab it. And I caught Jamie using my new back massager that I got from Amazon. There he is, using my little neck, shoulder, back massager that I just got from Amazon. I'm so excited about it.
It feels really good.
Yeah, it even has heat. I think you do you have the heat going?
I think so.
It looks like you do. Feels good, huh?
Yeah.
We might have to buy you your own because...
No, we can share.
No. What if we want to use it at the same time?
Yeah, you can have it then.
So that thing is actually under $50, and you'd think that it'd be more, but my parents had one that they got for around, like, I don't know, $40 or around the same price, and we would always use it when we were back home, and it was great. So bought my own, because whenever you're like always on the computer hunched over, like for me it's always my left shoulder that starts to hurt. That thing really helps, especially right now. If you love massages, you can't go get a massage, I feel like that's gonna be my savior. So if you are hunched over on the computer all the time, this is such a great find, and it's under $50. This would be in my life-changing Amazon purchases if I could go back and remake that video. By the way, Jamie and I just made a new TikTok video. Can you guys go follow me on there? It's Naomi Boyer 10. Please. TikTok. TikTok.
So, well, let me ask you, how do you feel right now?
I feel good.
That's good.
I need this. It's always my left shoulder.
Hello, everyone. She is getting a massage. I usually massage her every single night, but now that she purchased this on Amazon, I can still massage her every single night, and she can use this as well.
Yeah, but I feel bad because I feel like your hands get tired, and that's why I got it, so you don't have to do it.
Yeah, but that's okay. I don't mind massaging you.
So you can also use this on your lower back too.
Yeah, I actually use it on my lower back. It helps
Did it
me.
help?
Yeah, it helped me out a lot. It's very helpful. Anyway, just want to say hello, everyone.
Good morning. It is Friday. Every time I wake up, the first thing I do is turn on the Today Show. Obviously now all they talk about is the virus, but I just like to listen to them. I love them. Hear what they have to say. I love Savannah. I love Hoda. I love Al Roker. So yeah, this is kind of my little routine. Wake up, turn on the TV to the Today Show, check my phone, and then I go take a shower and get ready for the day.
And the New York Police Department was down more than 10% of its workforce yesterday.
Good morning.
Hello.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Coffee time. By the way, I usually use 2.
Did you use 2 again?
No, one sugar thing, but 2 espressos.
Oh.
That's okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Roaming in the wilderness, we never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you
All right, so I am in my office right now and I am about to start editing. Did I show you guys what I'm wearing? I don't think I did, so let's do it. All right, so this top is from Zara. You may have seen it in any of my recent videos. My necklaces are Miranda Fry. This one is discontinued. I love this one, I wear it all the time. So sorry that it's discontinued, but these two on the bottom right here are brand spanking new. So the charm is new and this little rope chain is new. It is part of their spring collection, which launched March 30th, depending on when this vlog video goes live. And then this is from Aritzia. I love this. It's like a little wool jacket. So it's really good for like the springtime when you need something not as heavy as a coat. Then of course my little slouchy pants from Zara. Just wearing house slippers right now. I have some new furry slippers coming in from Amazon. So I'll show you guys when it arrives that I'm very excited about. It's for inside the house. And that's pretty much it. I've been wearing my hair back a lot and I really like this like kind of slick back low pony look. So, yep. So, just finished editing. I think I'm going to be done for the day. We have the news on. They're talking about how they closed the beaches. Thank goodness.
And I'm making quesadillas.
Making me his cheese quesadillas. I like his cheese quesadillas. But they not only closed the beaches, they closed like the parking lots, the bathrooms, they took off the volleyball nets, so no fun will be had there. No congregating, no one on the beaches. Don't even think about it. Are you gonna grow your hair out?
I definitely need to
Looking
shave.
a little fluffy.
That is true.
Real Housewives of Miami. I wish they still were doing Housewives of Miami because I love Miami. So I started putting some of the stuff that I got from packages away, like makeup on this side, some skincare products on this side, and then hair products, and then more hair and body products. There's some tools back there. This is just like an extra bedroom and closet. And so this is where I put like my larger items like coats and things like that. And yeah, there is still so much I have to do in this room to get it all situated. So hoping to do some giveaways. He is gonna grill. You really wanted to grill burgers, huh?
Yeah, we haven't had any burgers in a long time, so I wanted to make some.
Yeah, it's also like, what, 5? Is it 5 yet? It's like 4-ish, or it is 5? So we're gonna have some burgers. Looks like there's some cheese in there. What else? Onions, that looks good. We got the veggies and brioche bun right here. What is this? Looks like hot dog buns for broth, because you got some broths. We don't know if that's good, but we're gonna try it out. Grilling, let's see. Ooh. We got a little pool cleaner for our pool. It's right over there. Need to come up with a name for that little cleaner guy. This is a very, very nice sight to see, let me tell you.
Doesn't that look nice, the pool cleaner that we have?
Yeah, I just mentioned that to
you
them.
did. Okay. I didn't know that. But it really helps with cleaning the pool, and I'm so happy about that.
Yeah, Jamie's like on one when it comes to the pool. Having
And
a
the
little
yard and the
squirrel.
house and everything.